This 2026 Winnebago View 24R is a Class C RV. It is located in Kerrville, Texas, 78028 and is offered for sale by McClains RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Winnebago is 25 feet 8 inches in length and features sleeps 4, leveling jacks, LP detector, slide-out, air conditioning, stovetop burner, microwave, refrigerator, TV, smoke detector, carbon monoxide detector, and 35 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features bunk over cab, front entertainment, front living area, mid-bath, rear bedroom. This 2026 Winnebago View 24R is built on a RWD Sprinter chassis and is powered by a Mercedes-Benz engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.